is 5:37 in the morning. First official snow in New York. First official snow in New York. That's my car, the black one. As you can see. Snow Street. A lot of snow here. Thank God I don't have any snow inside my Porsche. Okay. 2025 official snowfall. It's my bedroom. You can see the snow. That's my bedroom. Let me see if I can show you from here. Baby, yeah, sleeping. Good morning, baby. Baby, good morning. Yeah, sleeping. Oh, Christmas light. Let me show you the official snow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Too much snow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. 2025 official snow in New York City. Up at the nice. That's my car. Let me start my car.